Wow naman, love! I didn't know you make your own meals.
I did not.
So, girl, nagluto na to lahat. Just very, very lucky that I found a boarder who's mabait and, sarap magluto.
Ay, maswerte ka pa rin sa akin. So apparently, your boyfriend also knows how to cook. I made this for you.
You did that?
Yeah!
Really?
Of course!
Strawberry pancake?
Oh, bakit? Yan lang ang kitchen flex ko eh. Yan lang kasi yung tinuro sa akin ni Mommy before siya,
Di ba nakakataba to? Sayang workout!
Okay lang, dali naman i-burn yan eh. And besides, it's Tuesday, it's our cheat day. So okay lang kainin yan.
Sige na nga. Mako na nga. Okay.
Okay, kuha ko na extra pero parang susunod. Babe, here. Hey, give me that.
So today really is your cheat day, no?
What do you mean?
Bakit may napapadala sa'yo ng nudes? Zach. Ayoko ng cheater, Zach. Si Papa noon nag-cheat na kay Mama.
Wait lang ha. I'm talking about hindi ko nga kilala tong babae na to.
So bakit...
Tingnan mo. Oh, tingnan mo. Hindi naman ako nagre-reply ah.
So bakit may nagpapadala sa'yo ng nudes? Sino yan?
I don't know kasi sikat ako. Because I'm the most popular fitness influencer right now. Maybe. Siguro, kailangan mo i-accept na girls sent over me. Tingnan mo ang itsura niyan. Papatulak ko ba yan? Come on! Alam mo, kung choosy ako sa pagkain, mas choosy ako sa babae. So I chose someone special like you. Love, you have to believe me. Tingnan mo, bibigay ko ba sa'yo yung password ko? Kung may tinatago ko? Hindi naman, di ba? Wala. Hindi ako nag-cheat. Honest ako sa'yo.